So probably the last garden video of the season. It's, Colorado is considered to be high desert. And so we'll have this really drastic temperature swing. And so at night, it got down to freezing last night. So that's 32 Fahrenheit. I think that's 0 Celsius. And then during the day, it's going to be like in the 70s. Oh, here's the cat. All dirty. Yeah, so shit's freezing. So I pulled what I could, and I'm going to, I think, pull the rest today, actually. I'll probably spend the whole day, harvesting marigolds and chives, and that's stevia right there. And then I'm going to have to pull these tomatoes, even though they're green. There's a decent amount, and I'll probably make green tomato salsa. I don't feel like climbing back there, but there's a decent amount of green tomatoes for sure. So I'll probably make a round of green tomato salsa. Yeah, celery never really got it together, but that's all right. Definitely gonna have to pull all the herbs and wash and dry them. That's a big amount of rosemary and, basil. This is a toothache plant, and it's really interesting because when you chew the leaves, it acts like an analgesic, so it makes you numb. And you're not numb for like a very long time. So it's not like you'd be able to get like a whole dental procedure done, but it'd be like the kind of numb that they put on your gums before they give you shots. So on my list is to dry those leaves and make some sort of goo that Pearl can put on my gums before she does shit to me. Yeah, a bunch of mints, I don't even know, just a bunch of bullshit. Over here. Ooh, some bees. Hello, ladies. Hello. Ooh, just sitting. Oh, one's drinking, but one's just sitting on the sun. Okay. Hello. Hi. Okay. Funny thing with these cucumber tie-ups. So I noticed that they kept falling down, which was interesting with the string. And then one day I saw a squirrel like chewing the string. I don't know if that's string or yarn or whatever it's called. Chewing the string and then running off with it. So it must be like really fabulous material for like a squirrel nest. So I'm gonna have to rethink what I'm doing with this next year because I don't think I actually had that problem before. And then so the temperature just kind of, it fucked things up. But I did get a bunch of cucumbers, just didn't get them videoed. So I'm gonna pull all the marigolds and the chives and make some chive oil, which is quite nice, and then dry the rest. And then I just have like a shit ton of marigolds, so I guess I'll be drying them and making, marigold tea or whatever. Oh, sorry. Did I not? I can't see, Sadie. Yeah? Is that? Oh. I can kind of see. I'm going to have a whole compilation video of this cat just rolling in the dirt. It's ridiculous. I did pull all the peppers because peppers super don't like cold weather. And there's a couple more I gotta grab, but you can see the leaves just get completely, shitty, and it destroys the flavor and stuff. And the mints, this will be fun. So I missed the ball for like planting my own seeds. So I bought a bunch of starts this year when I moved in. And I can't see anything. I can't see what I'm doing. Jesus. The sun here. Okay, well, anywho, can't see. I think I'm pointing the thing at mint. But I bought a bunch of different kinds of mint, right? And so I'm going to, take them all, rinse them off, and then dry them. And I should have a bunch of different kind of like mint tea flavors, which is fun. Because like one was like strawberry mint. Hi, what's going on? And we have the cat mint. And she does like the cat mint dried. That's her preferred way of consuming. Do you want to go in the catio? What are you doing? I'm still doing a video. Oh, you don't? Okay. So I have all these different mint flavors, so that should be fun, this winter to be drinking different mints. And the herbs. Yeah. And it's funny, right? The common thing that you hear spiritual people talking about in the fall is like, oh, look at the trees and just let it inspire you about how easy it is to let things go, blah, blah, blah. And I mean, right, but it's not that easy to let things go. You actually have to, really consciously make the decision that that's what you're going to do. So my thought of the day, and this tree is really nice. It hasn't really lost any leaves yet, which is kind of cool. And then I always dig the big pine trees, the evergreens. So I guess, my thought of the day is, what do you want to do to heal today, right? What's one step you can take toward healing some aspect of yourself? So one of your etheric bodies, your physical, your emotional, your mental, your spiritual, your astral. And just sink in and think about what would be something you could do that's a step in the third dimension that's going to give you some healing, and that's going to show your higher self and source that that's what you're trying to do. And then they will send, the appropriate support, and they'll help you. And we'll end on this cat. Why are you sitting over by Jan's fence? Sadie pulled down one of the things so that she can just have better access. Hi. I think it's good mousing over there because there's this big, I don't know if you can see it, but there's this huge ass grapevine behind the fence. And so there's like all kinds of little shit to eat inside there, huh? Yeah, and in one of the videos I mentioned this woman, we have different ways of handling pests. Different ways of handling pests. Yeah, but it seems okay now. So Sadie's way of taking care of herself today is she's spending time in the sun. She's recharging her solar battery. And I'm kind of in the sun. Yeah, it's like, 70 I think is like 20. And then we'll drop down 40 degrees and it'll be like 0. All right. Sadie, do you have anything to say to your adoring fans? No? You're just done? Why is your back to the camera? You're just done? You feeling private? Okay, so Sadie's feeling private. All right. So contemplate an action step for yourself. It's all well and good to let things go, but what do you want to bring in? What do you envision for yourself as far as health and healing? And then do one thing that demonstrates to your body that you want to take that step.